In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create progress bars in Google Sheets, turning your static data into clear visual indicators of completion. Whether you're tracking project milestones, a personal to-do list, or team goals, a simple progress bar can instantly communicate how far along you are. No fancy charts or complex formulas required. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, let's talk about why you'd want a progress bar in the first place. Google Sheets is incredibly powerful for organizing data, but raw numbers and percentages can sometimes be hard to scan quickly. A progress bar gives you an at-a-glance visual cue, making it easy to see at a glance if a task is halfway done, nearly complete, or just starting. The best part? You don't need to install any add-ons or write complex code. Google Sheets has a built-in function called SPARKLINE that lets you create a mini chart, essentially a tiny bar chart, right inside a single cell. That's the key to making this whole process work, and once you see how simple it is, you'll wonder why you didn't start using it sooner. Alright, step 1. Set up your task list with checkboxes. This is the foundation for tracking completion. Start by highlighting the range of cells where you want your tasks to appear. For example, if you have a list of tasks in cells A2 through A10, just click and drag to select them. Then, go to the top menu, click on Insert, and from the drop-down, choose Checkbox. Instantly, each selected cell will get a small square box that you can click to toggle between checked and unchecked. This is where the magic begins. Each time you check a box, Sheets will register that as a true value, and an unchecked box is a false value. That Boolean logic is what we'll use to calculate progress automatically. Now that your checkboxes are in place, let's move to the next step, calculating the completion percentage. In a separate cell, let's say cell B1 for clarity, you'll enter a formula that counts how many tasks are done versus how many tasks you have total. The formula you'll type is equals count if open parentheses, then your checkbox range, a comma, then true in quotation marks, close parentheses, then a forward slash, then count A open parentheses, and your checkbox range again. So it looks like this, equal sign count if, A2, A10, true slash count A, A2, A10. What this does is divide the number of checked boxes, the completed tasks, by the total number of tasks that have any content in them. Count A counts any cell that isn't empty, which is perfect because even unchecked boxes are considered non-empty. The result will be a decimal, like 0.6 for 60% completion. To make it human readable, click on that cell, go to the Format menu, then Number, and select %. Now you'll see a clean percentage, like 60%, which updates instantly every time you check or uncheck a box. With your percentage ready, we can finally create the actual progress bar. In another cell, say cell C1, type the SPARKLINE function. The syntax is equals SPARKLINE open parenthesis, then the cell reference holding your percentage, followed by a comma, then a pair of curly braces containing the chart type and max value. Specifically type =, SPARKLINE, B1, chart type, bar, max, 1. The curly braces with semicolons inside create a mini array that defines the chart settings. The chart type set to bar tells Sheets to draw a horizontal bar. The max set to 1 is critical because it tells the bar that 100% completion equals a value of 1. So your 60% will fill 60% of the cell. Hit enter and boom, you have a sleek colored progress bar that grows or shrinks as you update your checkboxes. By default, the bar will be green, but you can customize the color by adding another setting, like color #FF5733, inside the curly braces to change it to any hex code you like. One quick pro tip, if you want to track multiple categories or sections on the same sheet, just copy that SPARKLINE formula down. For example, if you have separate groups of tasks for different weeks or phases, create a percentage cell for each group using the same COUNTIF/COUNT A pattern, then reference each in its own SPARKLINE. Also, be careful with blank rows. If you accidentally leave an empty cell in your checkbox range, Counter won't count it, which could skew your percentage. So make sure every task cell either has a checkbox or is truly blank. And if you ever need to reset, just uncheck all boxes and your progress bar will drop to 0. Let's do a quick recap to cement everything. You now know how to turn a simple list of tasks into an interactive dashboard. By inserting checkboxes, calculating the completion percentage with COUNTIF and COUNT A, formatting it as a %, and then using the SPARKLINE function with bar and a max of 1, you've built a real-time progress bar that updates with every click. This is incredibly useful for personal habit trackers, team project boards, or even classroom assignment logs, anywhere you need to visualize progress without cluttering your sheet with heavy charts. As a next step, try experimenting with SPARKLINE's other settings, like changing the bar color or adding a vertical axis to compare multiple progress bars side by side. You could also combine this with conditional formatting to automatically highlight tasks that are overdue or nearing their deadline. If this tutorial added some value to your workflow, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps others discover these techniques. And I'd love to hear how you plan to use progress bars. Drop a comment below, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Thanks for sticking with me, and feel free to save this video whenever you need a refresher on creating progress bars in Google Sheets.